Hi everyone, I'm Drew with Mobility Direct, and today I'm going to be showing you how to unbox an all-new product by Pride Mobility. It's a heavy-duty unit, has a 500-pound weight capacity, and goes up to 23 miles on a single charge. This is called the Pride Mobility PX4. It's model number SC134. It's a really nice mobility scooter, and it's the first time we're getting it here, so this is what you can expect to get when you order a PX4. But before we get into the unboxing of this, I want to make mention that if you haven't been to our website, make sure you do. That's mobilitydirect.com, because you could get your very own copy of your free catalog. Just click the green link at the top of the website, fill out your information, and we will have it to you in just a couple days. Also, I invite you to stick around to the end of this video where I tell you about our mobility scooter giveaway. Yeah, we give away a free mobility scooter every month, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video where you get some more details on that. So let's get into this. First things first is we have the seat. This is on top. I'm going to get this off to the side and see what we're working with as far as a box. As you can see, it's a box. Looks like it's over a box and not a pallet. So I'm going to take the seat off, get it on the ground, and see what we're working with. All right, so it's our box. Just loosely over. So, I mean, this is exactly how we received this, so this is exactly how you should get it.
Strapped to the pallet and all the foam on the bottom.
So let's go ahead and work on this methodically. I want to go ahead and unstrap it and get it off the pallet. All right, let's go ahead and get our strap in the front undone here. Again, the same thing applies. Press that tab, it'll come undone. Okay. So I'm going to stick to my plan. I'm going to roll it backwards. I want to make sure that it's in neutral. Right now it's in drive, and we just want to make sure we put it in the neutral, which is freewheel mode. And I'm going to bump it back just so I can get this off the edge here. So I'm just going to rock it a little bit and see if I can do that right there. And we got it off. And that's why I chose to go this way, because look at the pallet. So now that I got the scooter out of the box and I flipped the top off, and I'm going to show you what's inside under here. So it wasn't just trash in here, there was a hardware box, and as you can see, I guess it's strapped to the top of the box. So check this out. Ready? Look in here. So I guess I gotta go inside and go get it. So we go inside, and I guess there we go. So that's our basket, our charger, our mirrors, and our user manual. Looks like a very simple and easy setup, to be quite honest with you. So we're gonna set this off to the side. We have no more hardware. Let's go ahead and open this up here. Be very careful. Make sure that you score just the tape and not cut inside the box so that you damage your seat upholstery. That wouldn't be good. It's very expensive and it's not covered under warranty. A cut's a cut. That's on you. So be careful. I've done this one many times, so I've done it. All right. These here are the brackets for the armrests. I'm just going to set these off to the side. And before we go ahead and put the seat on, I want to go ahead and lift this tiller forward. So we have right here a little knob. You go press up on it and lift straight up. Just get it there for now. So now we can put our seat on. I also want to go ahead and put this in drive, and I want to check our batteries to make sure that they're plugged in. So unscrewing these little thumb screws, should be able to access it. And good thing I checked, because they are not plugged in. So you get your left and right. Same thing with this one.
Get a shot of it real quick.
Mm-hmm. Let's go ahead and put this back on. Put our thumb screws back in place. Now I feel confident that we can go ahead and put on our basket. So here's our basket. Just gonna line it up here, just like you would. Boom. There's our mirrors. Let's continue with the seat. Those are the armrest pads. And here is the seat itself. Nice, beautiful Pride Mobility seat. Captain style seat. It looks like it's a 22-inch. All right, so I'm gonna grab the seat.
Sliders on it.
Yep.
Nice.
And we're gonna go ahead and line up our nipple right into the receiver. Just like that. Locks into place, you know it's in. Give it a little rotation. That way you know it's all set up. All right, so let's go ahead and install these armrest receivers. I'm the type of guy that likes to be able to read the labels, so I say definitely use labels out. So let's go ahead and install our armrest receivers. As I said, I like the labels facing out so you can read. I don't think there's any other way to put them. So just line it up to your desired width. I'm going to do the same on both sides. Take out the pin. Slide this to your desired position. I'm bringing in a little bit more. There we go. Just like so. Now you want to use an Allen key, which you're going to need your own tools for. And go ahead and tighten this up. See how it's loose? And I tighten this up, nice and secure. Do the same thing on the other side. It's loose. And it's secure. Now we're gonna go ahead and put on our armrest pads, or let's go ahead and put our headrest. So just like this, just like an automobile, press in the little tab, adjust it to your desired height. Armrest pads are in this little box right here. These are height adjustable, so keep in mind that this scooter, it has height and width adjustable armrest. Very nice. And with that same Allen key, you can adjust the height. You have to bring it up a little bit anyway to give it some functionality if you want the armrest to flip up. And do the same desired height on the other side. Let's make sure. Perfect. And tighten that up. Cool. So the Pride Mobility PX4 has been very straightforward as far as the setup. All right, so let's go ahead and get that there. All right, so now that I have the keys off, you just have to be near the scooter.
Now time to unveil one of my favorite parts about this scooter. You've got some programmed little sensors here. So these sensors are matched up to this scooter. So for those of you who have had Pride Mobility scooters in the past, you may know that security and theft may have been an issue. You can take any old key from any other Pride mobility scooter, put it into any other scooter, and drive away with it. Well, not anymore. These are keyed specifically to your unit. So if you want to turn the unit on, this is the process, right? There's a power button right here. We're going to show you. You hit this power button right here. It's on, but it's not going to move until you pair this key right there. And it just made a little tune, and it's basically telling you that now it's ready to go. If you don't pair this up and you don't have these with you, the unit, you can't steal it. It won't move, won't operate. Pretty neat. So that's a new feature, and you don't have to worry about people stealing your expensive high-end mobility scooter. If you go to Disney World or Islands of Adventure and you go on one of those rides and you have to leave your scooter there at the entrance of the roller coaster ride, so that when you're done, you come back, you have peace of mind knowing, hey, no one's gonna steal my scooter, because the only person that can operate it is a person who has these little doohickeys here that allow you to activate the scooter.
So I figure I'd show you how to set up the mirrors. So this is what it looks like. It's gonna be 2 mirrors. That's how you're gonna set it up. There's 1. And here's 2. Let me make mention, there is no left and right mirror. These both are the exact same mirror. So we're going to go ahead and install them by locating on the side of the scooter here. Let's go ahead and rotate. Perfect. So that'd be good enough. Now you can adjust your mirror to your liking. Then we go to our other mirror. You can put it to wherever you desire. Cool. Okay. So, as you can see, the scooter is now on. It should operate and everything should be good. That is how you go ahead and you set up your mobility scooter, your Pride Mobility PX4 mobility scooter. Oh, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel, because if you haven't yet, you got to. We're giving away a free mobility scooter to somebody in need every month. We're picking one of our lucky subscribers. It could be you, it could be a friend, so make sure you tell everybody. All you have to do is just click the red subscribe button. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything. All right, everyone, well, I appreciate you watching this video and taking the time to understand how to unbox and set up your Pride Mobility PX4 heavy duty mobility scooter. Thank you for watching. I'm Drew. Have a great day.
Wow! Come on, groove it on. I said, baby, I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it.